5 business ideas that will make you money from home. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 business ideas I use to generate money from home. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. Without further ado, let's dive into the main topic of the day. The number 1 business in our list is pig farming. Pig farming is one of the most profitable business in the world. It requires a little capital for you to buy a livestock, and then you grow this livestock. With time, it's going to multiply, reproduce, and make your money grow faster. The number 2 business in our list is real estate. Real estate is one of the most profitable business in the world, and it can be done from the comfort of your home. You can become a real estate investor, or you can also become a real estate agent that you connect people to buy a product on any part of the world, or maybe you invest your money on real estate properties in order for you to make money in the long term. The number 3 business in our list is red oil production. Red oil production is one of the lucrative business ideas in all over the world. Red oil is being used in every part of the world, especially the Africa. It is what people use on their daily life and also use in cooking. So investing on red oil production is one of the most profitable business ideas to do from your home, and it is 100% profitable. The number 4 business in our list is poultry farming. Poultry farming is one of the most lucrative business in the world. Chicken and eggs are what people use on a daily basis. Therefore, the demand in them are high. So chicken production and egg production can be one of the most lucrative business that will make you make quick money as possible. If you have a chicken that lays eggs, you can actually sell these eggs and make good money. Number 5 business in our list is fish farming. Fish farming is one of the biggest business to do. In daily activities and in any other round of enjoyment, fish is being served as the major to the world. So fish farming is what you should consider to do as business. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. For that being said, I will see you in my next video.